Hey friends, hope you all are doing good. It's been a while since I have sat down and had a chat with you all. Today I just wanted to talk to you about a period that I and my family were going through a couple of months back when my son was in the 10th standard. He was giving his 10th exam and we had to decide on a subject that he wanted to take in his 11th. Actually, we had left it to him. He could decide what he wanted to do, but he himself was confused. He himself couldn't decide which subject to choose for his 11th standard. We all know that a job of a parent is a continuous process and it never ends. Most of the time we have to take major decisions in their life, at least till the time they become an adult. Well, I personally believe that parents play a major role in deciding the career of their children. We know them throughout. We have brought them up. We know what their likes are, what their dislikes are, what their strengths and preferences are, what their interests are, what their passion is, what their talents are. We know them so well. As a parent, we always want the best for our children. They must have a good career, a secure job, financial stability. They should be well settled in their life. That's what all parents want. We want the best for them. But when we are choosing a career path for them, are you sure that that's the right one that your child needs? Can you be sure that down the line he won't be frustrated and depressed with whatever you have chosen for him? What if he feels unhappy doing his job? But there are people who change their careers after a certain point. But is everyone bold enough to do that? What if he feels very unhappy and depressed after a certain point? Who will be responsible for that? I'm not saying that whatever the parent decides will be wrong for the child. But whatever the decision is, it should be mutual. The final decision should be of the child, whether he is capable of taking the decision or no, whether like my child, whether he is a confused child and doesn't know what career he should choose, but still the final decision should be his, so that he takes the responsibility for his life. Let me give you one example. I personally know of this one person who was a very bright and brilliant child when he was young. He was talented, he was interested in music, he was good in his studies also, and he was a star among his friends. He was humorous and very jovial. But his father did not approve of his interest to music and did not even approve of his career choice. He and his father always had an argument over everything, and his father did not approve of anything that he did. And because of that, he made a lot of bad choices in his life. Now he is over 40 and still he blames his father for everything that went wrong in his life. So I think the parents should not take the decision single-handedly. It's the child's life that we are talking about. Maybe the child's interest would be different from ours. Maybe he wants to follow one of his passions. But maybe your concern would be that that passion does not have any career prospects. So in such a condition, what can we do? How can we come to an amicable solution? So before I continue, I would like to tell you that I am not a career counselor or a student counselor or any child psychologist. I am just a mother of 3 boys. My elder son has just completed his engineering and my second son is in 11th standard now. And my third one is in 9th. When it was time for my eldest son to choose his career, it was not very difficult because he had already decided on what he wanted to do. He wanted to become an engineer and that is what he did. So we just had to agree to his wishes. We did not have a different opinion. But when the time came for my second son to decide, it was a little difficult because he was a bit confused. Even in the same family, children are very different from each other. Their character, their behavior, their interests, their talents, their passion, everything is different. My second son was not so much interested in studies and he was a bit confused as to what to do in future. So these are some of the steps that we took to help him out. Firstly, we asked him to take an aptitude test. So this was an online aptitude test. In this, he was asked a lot of questions about himself, about his interests, about his likes, about what kind of things he likes to do on a regular basis, lot of questions that he had to answer online. And after he finished all the questions, they also conducted a one-on-one sessions with the student counselor also, where he asked about lot of things and he had to answer a lot of questions so that they can know what he really likes and which field will be best for him. Next would be field of interest. So after conducting the aptitude test, they gave us a list of options, a list of fields that were his strong points. There were a number of fields that he could choose from which he could make a career out of. So these fields were his strong points, his field of interest, where he could shine. So we had to choose from one of that field. The next was the career in that particular field. After a lot of thought, he decided that sports was his field of interest. So we had to look for career options in this particular field. So finally we decided on a field, and within that field we wanted to check out what are the different career options in that particular field. The next would be growth options in that career. So finally, when we decided upon the career, we wanted to know if that particular field had any growth prospects at all. So we talked to the student counselor that was assigned to him, and we asked her whether there were any growth prospects in that field. And she was able to give us a lot of insights about that particular field, that particular career, and what growth prospects it offered. We were very happy that we could make an informed decision about his career, and he was also so happy that he could choose a career that he was really interested in, and it was his decision mainly. So that is what he was very happy about, and we were all glad that everything worked out well. And the last is remuneration. Finally, everything is about financial stability. We wanted to know whether he would be financially secure, he would be financially stable in his job in future. So we wanted to inquire about kind of salary that is available in his field, and whether he would get a good remuneration in future, whether there is financial growth prospects in this field that he has chosen. And the counselor was able to provide us with a brief idea about the salary options that is available in his field. We were satisfied with whatever information we got from this aptitude test and from the online sessions that we had with the student counselor, and we could make an informed decision about his career and what prospects he had in future, and we were glad that we took this test. I would also like to suggest some things that parents should not do to their children when they are choosing a career for their future. It would be wrong on our part to impose or force the decisions or our choices on them. They would have their interest and their choices, and we should always take that into consideration also. I would always want a professional to talk to my child and give him a list of choices where he can choose from, rather than talk to a neighbor or a relative. He can talk to a person who is well versed with dealing with all kinds of stuff, so that they will understand his interest, they will understand his preferences, his choices, his strengths, and they can give him a detailed list of choices that he can choose from, the fields that he would be interested in. So these are some of the things that I feel as a parent we should keep in mind when we are choosing a career for our child. Hope this video was useful for you and gave you some good information. So we'll meet in the next video. Until then, bye.